Evening. I'm going to talk about a particular ICO I just recently discovered and has been researching a lot on. I think this is going to be a very popular ICO. However, not many people have heard of it. So I'm going to go through some of the details of the ICO as well as the use case for this particular ICO. So the name of this ICO is PlayKey.io. Actually, this is a gaming company, and the premise of this particular ICO is about being able to bring high-end games to gamers who do not have a high-end PC. So what does it mean? When you want to play high-end games or games with intensive graphics, you will need to have the latest GPUs. However, based on their research, actually 81% of gamers do not have sufficient hardware to be able to play with, for example, Dishonored 2. So they can't meet the requirements and they may not be able to play the game with the latest, or not latest, but the full graphic settings. And the growing gaming market, I think uh, more and more gamers will want to play the latest game, yet not be able to afford the latest hardware. Hence, this particular ICO is very interesting. Uh, so if you look at PlayKey.io, this is only the ICO website. They have already have an existing business ongoing, which is the PlayKey.net. And this particular company has already gotten a uh, NVIDIA grid, which is on the cloud, and it is operational. Gamers are already using their system to play games, for example, like Grand Theft Auto, The Witcher, Rust, Doom, Outlast, Prey, Dead by Daylight, Sniper Ghost, Warrior 3. Uh, so all the latest games are available, and all these are typically graphic intensive games. And from what I have from the people who have spoken to, the gamers who have been playing it, the review seems to be pretty good. They have been getting very good streaming using their game system. So when you talk about game streaming, what does it actually mean? It means to say that as a gamer, you do not need the hardware to be able to play the game. What you need to do is be able to subscribe to their system, and the games will be processed by their NVIDIA grid and streamed back to you, while your commands is streamed back to the server to be processed as a command to the game. The lag is almost minimum. This is the review I have seen, and I think that once they move on to the ecosystem that they're making using the PlayKey ICO, the entire system will be even better because what they're creating is a ecosystem of miners with GPUs for renter and gamers who would like to play the game. Meaning to say that as a gamer in the future, I'll be able to select the miner or the graphics processors that is nearest to me, and then I'll be able to rent his hardware to play my game via a smart contract. So with an ecosystem that PlayKey is going to be building, you will see more and more miners jumping on board, renting out their gaming hardware to gamers. So earning a fee when people use their system for gaming. So this is a really interesting idea. It's the first time I've seen a use case for blockchain that really make full use of the blockchain technology or make full use of the smart contract to be able to allow the have and the have-nots to be able to have the same cool experience on gaming. Um, the ICO is going to start on 1st November. Currently, there's a pre-sale, and the minimum for the pre-sale, I believe, is 60 Ethereum, pretty high. The only reason I can think of is because this company is very confident of getting big investors to come in, and that's why the pre-sale starts at a minimum of 60 Ethereum. So do research into this particular ICO. The gaming market is booming, it's growing by leaps and bounds. If you have seen the other e-gaming ICO, you will know that gaming is a booming market. People are very interested in gaming, and PlayKey.io is well placed to be able to ride on this wave. All right, that's all I have for this evening. Do read their white paper and then research before you invest.